Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 3, 4 and 5. All actions should be abandoned as evil, declare some philosophers, while others declare that acts of sacrifice, gift and austerity should not be relinquished.
Chapter 18, Shloka 3. त्याज्यं दोषवदिध्येगे कर्म प्राहुर्मणीषिणः यज्ञदानतपः कर्म न त्याज्यम् इति चापरे.
Hear from me the conclusion or the final truth about this abandonment, O best of the Bharatas. Abandonment, verily, O best of men, has been declared to be of three kinds.
Chapter 18, Shloka 4. Nischayam shrunu me tatra tyage bharata sattama tyago hi purusha vyagra trivida samprakirtitah.
Acts of sacrifice and austerity should not be abandoned, but should be performed. Worship, charity, and also austerity are the purifiers of even the wise. Chapter 18, Shloka 3, 4 and 5. Should the ignorant perform work or not? The Sankhya school of philosophers declare that action should be abandoned as evil because they produce vasanas which cloud the realization of the self. There are others that point out that work is not to be abandoned except when it is going in wrong channels, motivated by demonic urges like passion, greed, desire, etc., and that sacrifice, yagna, charity, dana, and austerity, tapas, should never be abandoned. Gita wants Arjuna only to renounce evil activities and perform worldly work in a spirit of dedicated, selfless devotion. To make work itself the greatest homage unto the Supreme is the spiritual sadhana. Shloka 4. The Lord's decree is that the ignorant should perform work. The divergent views are explained. Lord Krishna is now promising Arjuna that he will explain what constitutes tyaga and the different headings under which the spirit of abandonment can be considered. Abandonment, tyaga, for the purpose of study and understanding is threefold, and it is classified as the pure, sattvic, the passionate, rajasic, and the dull, tamasic. Shloka 5. Lord declares the final decree. Practice of worship, yagna, charity, dana, and austerity, tapas, should not be abandoned. When these are properly pursued, they bring about a discipline within and create conditions under which alone the spiritual unfoldment and the final experience of the infinite are possible. Lord Krishna says that these can purify thoughtful men, men of evolutionary tendencies who seek freedom from their personality obsessions must, with devotion and right attitude of mind, perform yagna, dan, and tapas. Thereby, they can discover an endless amount of inner peace and balance. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.